what is the total percentage increase or decrease if the price of an object is decreased by 12% followed by an increase of 24% followed by another decrease of 18%. Okay, this is best done by using multipliers for representing an increase or decrease. So 12% decrease is represented by 1 minus 0.112. 0.112 represents 12%, but if you have a decrease of 12%, that means you only have 88% left, so that's 0.88. A 24% increase means that that's going to be 1 plus 0.24, which means you're going to actually be increasing it by 124%, which we write as 1.24. And there, an 18% decrease is going to be 1 minus 0.18, which is going to be 0.82. Now this is done first, second, and third. So basically, this is a compounded problem. So we take the multiplier 0.88 times 1.24 times 0.82, and we get an answer of 0.894784. Now, because this number is less than 1 here, this particular digit here, then we know that this is going to be at an overall percentage decrease. So if it's going to be a decrease, the percentage decrease is going to be 1 minus 0.894784. So we're sort of working backwards to what we've done here, which gives me 0.1052216. So that means we have a percentage decrease of 10.5%. So that is the equivalent of doing that decrease by that, followed by that increase, followed by that decrease. Okay, this has been a video to show you how to use multipliers to do a compound percentage problem. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.